So now what happens when we want to factor something that's got a fractional exponent and a negative exponent? And I know what you're thinking. You're like, yeah, I don't want to do it. Well, let's say it's on a test and you're like, I need to do it. So what we want to do is we need to find something that's in common to both terms. And so when I'm looking at this, I notice that each one of them has this x minus 1. And that is your common factor. So I'm going to take x minus 1. Now if you remember what we did before, we took the smaller exponent and that's what we factored out. So smaller of the two exponents is going to be negative 1/2. Now, the only thing missing from this term is an x plus. Now what in the world am I going to do over here? Well, I'm going to have x minus 1 to some power. So here's the key. You need to take negative 1/2 plus a number is going to equal to 1/2. So if I want to get the x all by itself, I'm going to have to add a half to both sides, and x is going to equal to 1. So that's going to be what it looks like. Now, we have a small problem. We've got a negative exponent. And we remember that we can't have any negative exponents. So I'm going to have to simplify this so everything is positive exponents. Well, this part right here is positive, so I'm going to leave it in the numerator. So I've got x plus x minus 1. And now I'm going to put this term on the bottom because that will make it a positive exponent. But now that I'm looking at the top, I see that I've got a little problem. I have actually got an x plus an x, so I need to simplify that. So that's going to be 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 to the 1/2.